I have bed rotted this entire fucking Saturday away. So, rise and shine, motherfuckers. It's 6 p.m. Let's do something. First things first, I want to show you guys my new beautiful vanity decorations. I found this Precious Moments frame for our 50th anniversary. I need to put pictures of me and Caleb in it. My friends just got me this little cinema roll pop figure for my birthday last week, so that was really nice. Oh my god, and Caleb got us these cute little Spirited Away bobbleheads. And here I have, oh god, is this hot? I have my Walmart candle. I just bought this bourbon pecan pie and also maple pumpkin latte. This one is better. This one is better, but that one's still really good. Then we have my little Smoochum Pokemon. Caleb's nickname. Caleb is my boyfriend, by the way. Caleb's nickname for me, Smoochum. So we got a motherfucking Smoochum. I got this new lace table runner, and it's got little hearts on it, and it's so adorable. Except it gets tucked in all the fucking cabinets. My storage desperately needs a fucking upgrade though, because this is a mess, okay? I know this is a mess. I am that type B friend where everything's kind of a cluttered little mess. And can't forget about my little mini baby Precious Moments little girl right here. Other updates. Okay. You can't really tell right now. I wish I had natural straight hair. I wish I had natural straight hair. Give me a one wish, Willow. Fucking straight hair. Okay, sorry. Yeah, you can't really see it that well, but I did get chunky highlights last week. Last week? What the fuck? It was like a month ago. I also started therapy. Very, very needed. Very well overdue. And it has been great. And I love it. So this is your sign to start therapy as well. BetterHelp sponsor me, low-key, because I be promoting the shit out of you to all my friends. Last update. How could I forget? I started my own business. I did. I'm officially a girl boss. I started a marketing company called Made You Look. And I do have a marketing degree. That's what I went to college for. And I just make professional promo videos for businesses where I live. So, yeah, if you want to like follow my business page or whatever, I'll tag it in the description, but you don't have to, it's fine. Also, it's so sad, but I am breaking out horribly. That's why I was like, should I even do this today? I don't know, but I think I'm gonna do it anyway because I'm bored. First, I'm starting off with primer. I use the e.l.f. Power Grip, you know, the vibes. I actually did own the original, the Milk Makeup primer, but, and I'm not gonna lie to you, they're the exact same. Next, for my base, I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. This is shade NW10. This is my first ever expensive foundation purchase, and I have no regrets. This foundation is amazing. It feels like an upgraded, more full coverage version of like the Halo Glow, in my opinion. Next, bro, all my makeup products are kind of dirty. Don't mind me. I'm going to be using this Liss Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer in shade, what's the shade? I don't know. I think the sticker came off. Put some under the eyes, probably some over my big fat acne patches, which is always on my chin. always. Why do I look so white? Let's continue. Bronzer. Bronzer next. I use this Nesting Bitch Face. I use her a lot. I'm just adding it to my forehead and like right under my cheekbones. I might do a little nose contour as well. And then it looks like she does a very like pinkish color blush lower on her cheeks, so like it would probably be right above my bronzer. So I'll just use this NARS blush. What is this shade? It's called Orgasm. Honestly, did not know that, but love it. Trying to find a good like lipstick that might be like a Y2K shade. This is Kovas. I don't know. What do we think of that? I don't know about this color. I feel like this is giving more 2016. This is like super bright pink and it says it can be used on cheek and lip. So maybe I could try using this on my lips. Maybe a glitter lip gloss on top. And I'll just use a little bit of highlighter. And I usually just apply highlight with my fingers on my nose. And right there. I almost feel like I should add a little more dimension with my bronzer. I don't know. I think that looks a little better. All right, the spookiest part, the eyeshadow. However, I think I have the perfect palette for this, but I'm not going to show you because of how busted up it is. It's the Kylie palette by Kylie Jenner. You can't see it. You can't fucking see it. I'm sorry. I'm going in with pitch black. All right. Starting with a little because this is scary, okay? I don't typically do much makeup like this. Wait, the bottom actually looks kind of good. See, the part where I get stuck is like when it gets to outside. I don't really know what to do there. It's like, are people winging it? Or just making it round? Why do I feel like this makes my eyes look so much bigger? Oh my god. This one? Thinking a little bit of that one. I can't tell if glitter was used. I can't tell, so I'm like scared if I should or shouldn't. And if I should it be blue glitter? Oh, yep. I don't think that was good. Okay. Next, it looks like she does some eyeliner on her lash line, which I've never done before. Nope. I poked my eyeball. Alright, enough of that. Curling the lashes. I have brown mascara and black mascara, but I feel like black mascara is what I gotta use with this. Now I'm gonna straighten my hair. Okay, see, now it's much easier to see my highlights. now I'm gonna pick out an outfit. Ew, I'm using my big room light. Me and my friends all call the big, ugly room lights homophobic. They're homophobic, bro. But it's gotta do, otherwise it's way too dark in this corner. So I think I'm gonna wear this fur hooded Hollister. And then, one second. My antidepressant. Sorry. I have a navy blue juicy tracksuit. It goes perfect with the makeup. I think we gotta do that. Shut the fuck up. I have never served this much cunt in my life. Ever. Okay, Y2K is like my main style, but I've never done like makeup like this. And I think my life is complete. Let me jump on my bed and fucking show you. Okay, so I fucking ate that, and if you think otherwise, don't let me know. But yeah, I think this is complete and I look hot as fuck. So mission success. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Love you.